This came to my mind while me and one of my friends were playing in skarloey.
Whenever they did anything the Duke thought wrong, he would say, "Hey, that would never suit his grace." Never mind, Grandpa. We're only young ones. Well, you'd better mind, unless you want to end up like Smudger. Oh, Grandpa, whatever happened? Smudger, said Duke, was a show-off. He rode roughly and often came off the rail.
I think the bulldog crest is too hard to make, so on to the next crash.
Some careless sheep had strayed onto the line. "He's bumped us," screamed the coaches. "Let's get back at him." They surged into Sir Handel and pushed him off the rails. "Trucks!" snorted Sir Handel. "Trucks! I won't, so there." Sir Handel was about to cause a great deal of trouble. "Told you," said Sir Handel. Peter Sam duly waited at the bottom of the slope for the loaded cars. He never bumped cars unless they misbehaved. But the loaded cars couldn't see him properly. They thought he was Sir Handel. Their chance for trickery had come. "Faster! Faster!" they yelled. "No, no!" wailed the empty cars. "It's Peter Sam!" But it was no use. "Hurrah! Hurrah! Hurrah! Hurrah!" roared the car.
Don't ask me why I'm doing this.
Peter Sam shut his eyes. "Beep! Beep!" wailed Peter Sam. "Nothing's happened, silly old diesel. Clever me." And he rocked and rolled along the line. Nothing's happened, silly old diesel. Clever me." And he rocked and rolled along the line. "Steady, boy," checked his driver. But it was too late. "Sleepers and ballast, I'm off." And Peter Sam was heading for trouble. Peter Sam came out of the tunnel a different-looking engine. He no longer had his funnel.
I tried to pull the freight train, but it was too heavy. It kept derailing, so I'm just gonna choose normal coaches.
He rose up George. They lumbered along as the insults continued. Then there was trouble. Cried Sir Handel.
A long time ago, a little engine was returning home. It was a misty, moonlit night. Suddenly, the engine lost control and plunged over the side into the swamps below. He was never found again. But many a workman will tell you that when the moon is full, they have seen the little engine trying to get home. But he never reaches the other side.
This took me long enough.